For the reaction 2H2O gives 2H2 plus O2. Kc is 2.1 in 10 power minus 13. 2CO2 gives 2CO plus O2. Kc is 1.4 into 10 power minus 12. The equilibrium constant for H2 plus CO2 gives H2O plus CO at the same temperature would be. If you see this equation has come from the two equations given to us. So what are the two things we have? 2H2O gives rise to 2H2 plus O2. This is one equation. Let us say this is having equilibrium constant K1. Second equation which is given to us is 2CO2 gives rise to 2CO plus O2 whose equilibrium constant is given as K2. Now what I will do, I will write this equation exactly reciprocal. 2CO plus O2 gives rise to 2CO2. What will be the K equilibrium value will become? Let us say the K3 is equals to, if the reaction is reversed, if reaction is reversed, then K will be inversed. K will be inversed. This is the concept. So K3 becomes 1 by K2. Simple. So now if I add these two equations, if I am adding these two equations, what will happen? You see, O2 and O2 gets cancelled. 2H2O plus 2CO gives rise to 2H2 plus 2CO2. Correct? Okay, now what will be the respect to K? K will be equals to, I can take this particular one. This equation K will be equals to K1 into K3. Or we can write this one as K1 by K2. K1 by K2. K will be equals to. If I take reciprocal of this equation, 2H2 plus 2CO2 gives rise to 2H2O plus 2CO. If I take reciprocal, what will happen? Then the resultant K will be equals to K2 by K1. Now the new K will be taken as K dash will be equals to K2 by K1. Reciprocal of K. Multiply the entire equation with 2. 2H2 plus 2CO2 gives rise to 2H2O plus 2CO. If I multiply the entire equation with this, you will get the resultant equation H2 plus CO2 gives rise to H2O plus CO, which is required for us. Now the resultant K equilibrium will be equals to K dash whole power 1 by 2, which is under root of K2 by K1, which is equals to under root of K2 is 1.4 into 10 power minus 12 by 2.1 into 10 power minus 13, which comes to be 2.58. So the answer for this particular one will be option A, 2.58. Where we have option A, 2.58 is the answer. So the answer for this question is 2.58.